What if getting fresh leads that are really excited about what you have to offer wasn't so hard? You see, this is the method that people like Russell Brunson and like the Wolf of Wall Street, uh, these are people who understand really how to get at people and get them excited about wanting to be on your list. Because the old method of basically saying, oh, here's my free gift, get on my list, doesn't work as well. You need something different, a new twist that gets people excited. And what Alessandro has created here basically gamifies the whole lead generation method and does it completely for free. It is so awesome. I love it. It's called Challenges Empire 2. I'm going to tell you all about it right now. Okay, so we're looking at the sales page right now for Challenges Empire 2. Now, this is from my friend Alessandro. Now, the name is kind of an unfortunate name. I would call it something more like gamified lead generation, or maybe something different. I don't know. But the concept is truly brilliant. You see, here's the issue. Most people, the way they generate leads is they'll put up a squeeze page saying, hey, come and grab my free gift and in exchange, put your email in here, and then you start blasting them with emails. And that used to work pretty well, and it still does work to a certain extent. But the trouble is that people often give you a fake email, or they sign up to get your free gift and then they immediately unsubscribe, or they ignore you, or even worse, they'll sign up and then click spam on your emails immediately, and then you end up not only not having a new lead, you actually start losing leads because Gmail and other places are going to say, oh, this is a spammer, and they're going to stop accepting your leads and stop delivering your emails. What you really want is to get people excited about being on your list. Now, how do you do that? Well, the way that Alessandro has come up with is truly one of the most brilliant ideas I've ever seen. And I absolutely love it. This is the sort of thing that really makes you a successful entrepreneur.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yes, Liz, I know that. Thank you. That's why I'm talking about this, because Alessandro is a successful entrepreneur. This is a brilliant method that really does work really well. Thank you very much, Liz. Very nice to say. Seriously. So, what exactly is a challenge, and why does it work so well? I'm going to tell you all about it in just a moment. But of course, you know that if you're coming here, I am not going to make you show up and just buy the product, even though the product is amazing. I think it's one of the best things Alessandro's put out in a long time. I'm not going to tell you just do that, because I really want you to get incredible value, because after all, this is a man in the hat review.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Yes, I know you're the man in the hat also, but right now we're talking about me. We're not talking about you. So go away and, I don't know, rob a bank or whatever it is you do. but seriously. So let me show you my custom bonuses here, because this is really, really cool. These are all brand new, by the way. None of these bonuses have ever been seen before. I just put these together. So you do not have these at all. And of course, all my bonuses do come with full PLR rights, so you can give them away. You can sell them. You can use them as your own bonus. You can relabel them, whatever you want. Obviously, you do not have the right to give away PLR rights, but other than that, you pretty much can do whatever you want with my bonuses. So the first one is really, really cool. This is a brand new AI I found that actually will allow you to extract email addresses for anybody on LinkedIn. In essence, what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and extract an email address in real time from LinkedIn. Has a 98% success rate of being able to extract an email address for pretty much anybody you come across on LinkedIn. This is great if you want to go ahead and start targeting specific people on LinkedIn to be able to generate even more leads. You can even combine it with the challenges method in order to be able to send people emails, say, hey, I found you on LinkedIn. I think this is something you would really be interested in. Check it out. This is a very, very powerful method. And again, I've never shown anybody this before because I just found it myself. I put this thing together. Right, the next one is, I think, kind of fun. This is a new method that I found for creating images using nothing but your voice. No more worrying about typing in a prompt or having to do anything like that. You actually just talk to the AI and it instantly creates the images for you. You can even tell it, hey, take this image, add this, whatever you want to do. Okay, you see here, this is an image that I created using my voice. I just told it, make a picture of chickens in spacesuits heading out to Mars. As I'm sure regular viewers of the channel know, we do have chickens in our backyard. I am very excited about it. We have more eggs than I know what to do with. We only have 4 hens, by the way, and they lay so many eggs. We have like 7 dozen eggs sitting in the refrigerator. I'm constantly trying to think of recipes to use eggs with. I figured during the winter they would slow down. They haven't. And they're as hardy as these Mars-based chickens are. They just keep laying and laying and laying, and it's like really, really incredible. But anyway, I have chickens on the brain, but very cool stuff. Again, all I did was tell it, make a picture of chickens on a spaceship heading to Mars, and created this for me instantly. Now, of course, we are still not done because after all, just 2 bonuses, but they're kind of crappy. And I do not want to say that this is crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Well, good for you. I'm glad you like crap. These people don't. I don't. And frankly, I don't think even you do. I think you are lying. You are a liar. Sir, I accuse you of lying. Okay, but seriously. So I actually have more bonuses than this because I really want you to get a lot of value out of this. So how about this one? I found another new AI system that will actually take any image and instantly transform it. It has hundreds of effects. And the basic version of it, by the way, is completely for free. You don't have to spend any money on it. It's actually a downloadable thing, so you don't have to worry about having to use it on online. Okay, you download it and use it. You see here, I took my space chicken image, and I instantly turned it into a sketch image. There are hundreds upon hundreds of presets you can actually use, and it's just a matter of click and point. That's it. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to know any prompts. You don't have to know any secrets about it. It's very, very simple to use. Again, the basic version is completely free as well. But of course, I'm still not done yet. How about another one that I found for you? No, instant to create video shorts. Now, this is different than your typical thing where it takes your existing videos and cuts them up into short videos. This thing will actually create the videos completely from scratch with an AI voiceover, with images, with everything. Faceless images, faceless videos, of course, that you can actually post on YouTube, and it will even post them for you onto YouTube. That is super cool as far as I'm concerned. Again, it does it all for you instantly. Very, very cool stuff. And one more thing, just for good measure, I found this really cool. An AI lawyer, it'll create dozens of legal documents for you instantly using an AI system. They do have actual lawyers who will check this up for you as well. But I thought this was really, really cool because there's so many legal documents that we all need. And we spend a fortune to go to see a lawyer, and this thing will do it for us for next to nothing. Very, very cool stuff. Again, all 5 of these are fresh, brand new stuff. I have never shared this with anybody. I just created these bonuses today as I made this video because I was so excited about Challenge Empire. So let me show you the members area. Again, it's just going to be a text thing that you're going to download. Nothing super challenging to do. Now, what the idea is like this. So, and again, as I mentioned to you during the introduction, Russell Brunson is an expert on doing this thing. A lot of people like to do this kind of thing. Basically, the idea is to gamify lead generation. And how do you do that? It's not the same as what some people think about gamified lead generation. Because some people, when they say gamified lead generation, they're like, oh, go and refer 3 of your friends in order to get this free gift. No, 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 no. This is much, much cooler. The idea is to challenge people to say, I want you to lose 30 pounds, lose 10 pounds in 30 days, let's say. Let's say you're in the weight loss niche. Okay, so the idea is basically to create a challenge for people and get people excited about it and signed up for it. And this is going to use an AI system to create the challenges instantly, so you don't have to do all the work of creating it. And it gamifies it, and it makes people excited about being on your list because they want to do whatever it is that you're telling them to do, whether it is to generate leads, or it's to lose weight, or get out of debt, or to create their first product. Whatever it is that you're challenging them to do, you're going to create the challenge using this AI system that Alessandro put together for you, and it will instantly go ahead and allow you to generate really, really excited leads. And again, I've seen this from Russell Brunson, for example. He is probably the person that does this the most, where he has, for example, the one funnel away challenge, where he basically has this whole event that he puts together. It's very exciting and very compact. And the idea is that people come in and they actually learn funnel hacking, how to create a funnel, start it, get it to the finish line, and actually start making money off of it, all within 1 week. And again, I've seen this from other people as well. Wolf of Wall Street, for some reason I'm blanking on his name. I don't know why I'm blanking on his name. Like, he does this as well, where he has a straight line method where he challenges you to go and learn this entire method over the course of 1 week and go through it and start practicing it and using it. Again, it's a very, very powerful way of getting leads, because unlike the typical lead generation method where you have to it's like pulling teeth to get people excited, this builds in the excitement because people want to do whatever it is you're telling them about. You're giving them a free challenge saying, hey, I'm going to show you how to lose weight, and it's free. Okay. Somebody wants to lose weight. They want that. You're going to give them this. You're going to show them how to do it. You're going to give them practical results over the course of this game that you created for them. And they're going to be hooked for life because you're going to show them this is what you're doing. You do this today, this tomorrow, this today, this next day. That is exciting stuff for people. That gets people to want to be on your list, to stay on your list a heck of a lot longer than the people who are just showing up to get the freebie and then moving on to the next freebie and the next freebie and the next freebie. This is something that is so powerful that gets people excited and gets them to stay longer. Really, really incredible stuff. Let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip on my Hatchet product video or not.
That he really hit that out of the park.
Yeah, seriously. Okay. I think that you really, truly hit the ball out of the park with this one. This is one of the best things I have ever seen in the Make Money Online niche, because it is so different. It is such a cool way of generating leads and getting people excited. I absolutely love this method. This one is the one to grab. You're going to love it.